Hello guys, in this video we are going to see how to set up our work environment. First of all, open your browser and type Atom. Open the first link, click on download. If you are on Linux, then it will show something like download.deb or download.rpm file. Save it. Okay, it's downloaded. Now let's run it. Let me tell you why I prefer to use Atom instead of an IDE or other text editor like Sublime Text or Notepad++, etc. Atom looks very sleek and beautiful. Moreover, we just don't want to see a whole lot of options on the screen, which of course we don't use in the beginning stage, right? Let's suppose we consider a code blocks or DevCpp. It comes with a bunch of options and bunch of icons on top of it. We don't use any of that. Just with the click of a button, we want the output to be displayed. Slowly we will shift to command line. It's still installing. It takes some time, don't worry. Yeah, it's open. Now, yes, always. Close this, uncheck this, because we don't want this welcome message to annoy every time, right? And click on packages, settings view, install packages/themes. Click on search packages and type GPP and click enter. You see something called as GPP compiler. Install it. Once it's installed, we are going to install MingW setup, GCC. So we can run our code with just a push of a button. That's F5. Yeah, it's installed. We see default GCC compiling error. We are going to see everything in detail. You see F5 for compile and F6 for debugging. Okay, we don't want it right now. We will be seeing how to use it in the upcoming videos. So that's it. Here we are good to go. Just close Atom.